Be a good idea. Let's test the floating capability of the canoe. Hey guys, come on, up in, yeah, come on, up, in, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's all, oh Jesus Christ, Billy, Arthur, come on, come, oh, wait a minute, Arthur, wait a minute, I'm coming back, mate, I'm coming back. Oh. He's stretching, he's stretching. Okay, Arthur, come on, in, come on, Arthur, in, come on, in, come on, in, come on, jump up, good boy. Okay, here we go. Oh crap, oh crap. Oh crap. All right. Oh, can you please not move? All right. That's it. No. Oh, no. Oh, don't move. Okay. Not a good idea. Let's go back to the water. Let's go. Back to the water. Back to the shore. Oh. Okay. Let's. Oh, shit, you guys are heavy. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Now, hopefully, we'll hit the shore and they jump out. Okay. That's it. Jump out. Out you get. Out. Please get out. Out. Go on. Out. Up. Out. Out. Oh, that's one. Out. Oh, Billy. Out. Come on. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. Arthur, I'm coming back in, mate. Oh, I'm exhausted. That's it, Arthur. That's it. Okay. Good experiment. We didn't capsize.